Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut we'll be covering the second portion of the output settings for the trace image function. Just have a quick intro here. Okay, just a reminder, this video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we cover and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, just a reminder, this is a follow-up of a series we're doing regards to the trace image feature. So we have videos before this and after this that you can follow, and you look in the description, you can see a few links to some of the videos. Otherwise, for those that are new, just remember locate your trace feature here by this icon, the landscape, and it says trace. So we already covered the output settings, smooth, detail, and line threshold. Now we'll be covering the break apart outlines, blackout, and add image layer, control cut or print cut, sorry. So then first thing, let's locate our traced image, which we already did. Then so the first one, break apart outlines. Now basically what happens is if we had to trace this image, so let's just do this quickly. Click OK, hide the text. Now you can see on our actual layers panel that the image we've traced is a single layer, so we can move this around and can't edit those shapes individually. So if we just remove this, let's go to trace again, select our image. Now if we say break apart here at the bottom, basically what that will do is all the shapes that can become a shape after traced will be broken apart into separate layers. So at the moment we'll have a layer for the circle in the center, outlined, and the block. So if let's say OK, now we see here we've got a folder, and if we open the folder here, we will find all those layers. So here we've got the cube, then the inside circle. If we just change the color, then you can see it's a layer of its own, and then the outside big circle. So that is basically what break apart does. And then let's see next on our list here, if we go to trace, just select our input again, as we have blackout. Now what blackout will do is if there's any holes or gaps on your images, it will fill it. So if we say blackout, or let's just skip it off, we go preview, and you'll see it'll basically make it like the first one we did, where it will be a circle, the hole in the middle, and a square. If we say blackout, any holes will be filled. Now you can see there's no longer cut lines in the center. So if we say OK, you will see it is center is no longer there. Then the last option we have here is just select the graphics with actual. Now the last one we have here is add image layer, print cut. So what this will do is if we just, without adding that, say OK, then it will just make a, let's put alpha on so we can make a cut line of the outside. It will just make a cut with a basic shape. So if you're cutting out a vinyl, just a single color, that's fine. But if you want to print this and cut it, then make sure this option is selected, add image layer, print plus cut. Now if we say OK, you will see it adds the graphics to the mat, but it also includes the cut line. So if we go to here to preview, now we can see there we've got the cut lines as well. So you can say show printable, and then we can see both. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basics on the settings on the second half of the output settings. Let's just quickly go to the website here. You guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za. You can find this video and more like it. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different software we do cover, and also we have a search option if you want to isolate your searches. If you don't find the video you're looking for, just request a training video here and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.